When you log into the dashboard, on the left hand side is a button which says Wow Plugins. Just click on Button Generator and that will show you this page here. As you can see, there's two buttons already configured. What I'm going to show you is how to duplicate this button and make some basic edits. Okay, so we will just click the duplicate button. That will refresh the page quickly, and then you'll see another button will appear in the screen, so you can edit the button straight away. So what you need to do is you need to add a familiar name for the button, so something that you can recognize. This is never seen by the front end. You could say my test button. Okay, then you can change the text on the button, which is done down here. So you say my test button. Nice. Yes. Okay. You don't need to change anything else other than the settings unless you want to. And then the other thing that you've got to do is you need to put in the link of where your button goes to. So when that button's clicked, it needs to send the user somewhere. So in here you will paste the link to where that person needs to go. Then finally, this bit's very important. After you've created your button, you need to copy this to your clipboard, because we're going to use this piece of code to insert into your web page. So if we just copy that, okay, and then we're going to click save. All right, that should have saved now. What we're going to do is we're going to go to a page. Let's go to a page in your system here. Okay, hold on. Give it a second to load. So we've got a bunch of pages here. We actually don't want to edit any of these. We need to go into posts actually. So let's open up the posts and see if we can edit a page within there. So okay, we've got a news flash here. So if we just go to edit that news flash, and we're going to add that test button to the news flash. So let's just wait for that to load again. And here we go. Right, let's let that. That's loading. Sorry, when I'm recording videos, the browser just slows right down. So just bear with me for a second while it loads. As you can see here, it's still loading. So let's just give it a second. I'm just going to pause the video while it loads, so I'll come back in a sec. Fucking. Okay, the page is finally loaded. So what we're going to do is we're going to drop the button in between these two paragraphs. So we come in here, and then we just paste that shortcode that we put in earlier. So if you when you're editing, you'll only see this, but this will refer to button ID 4. So when you go into the plugin generator here, you'll know what it's for. So you'll never need to edit this. You just edit all the buttons inside the button generator. So if we just click update on that, okay, just click update. And let's just give that a second to load again, so then we can go to the okay, I'm just going to pause the video again. Okay, now if we go and view this post now, okay, if I can just select it would be nice. Yeah. So now you've got a nice red button here. I mean, you know, it's aligned directly on the text, but you just go in and put a little space, and you know that'll be fine. But this is how you will do your buttons from now on.